Bonjour, j'espère que tu vas bien. Aujourd'hui, on va faire Leçon 6, Chacun ses goûts. So let's start. Now you know what you need to do. You need to take out the notebook and keep writing the notes along with me. So let's start. Première question, où se trouve le musée d'Orsay? So where is musée d'Orsay located? It's located in Paris. We all know it. Où se trouve beaucoup de peintures impressionnistes? So where do you find impressive paintings? Les peintures impressionnistes se trouvent au musée d'Orsay and it's also a musée national à Paris. It's also a national museum in Paris. Next question, que savez-vous du musée du Louvre? So what do you know about Museum of Louvre? We know that it's a museum, right? But what is the story behind it? The Musée du Louvre est le plus grand musée à Paris. It's the most biggest museum in Paris. Autrefois, il était le palais des rois de France. Earlier times, it was the palace of the kings of France. But now, it's a renowned museum since 2 centuries. So next question, où est installé le Musée du Louvre? Where is Museum of Louvre located? Where is it located? It's located on a domain of more than 40 hectares in the plain courtyard of Paris on the right river bank of river Seine. So that's the area. Where is it located? Combien de peintures trouve-t-on au Musée du Louvre? How many paintings do we find? Any guesses? Yes. 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. On y trouve environ 6,000 peintures. We find there around 6,000 European paintings of painters like Renoir, Van Gogh and Leonardo da Vinci. Nommez une peinture célèbre de Van Gogh. So, Le Tournesol. We need to name one painting of Van Gogh. What is the name of the painting? Le Tournesol. It also means sunflower. Qui a construit une grande pyramide devant le Louvre au centre de la cour Napoleon? Who has constructed a big pyramid? So, I've written in short notes. Who has made it? Yeo Ming P. That's the name of the architect. Qui est Arke Narayan? Who's Arke Narayan? C'est un écrivain. And he's a Indian writer. Qui a écrit Harry Potter? See, I've written in the form of notes. Harry Potter was written. J.K. Rowling. Nommez des bandes dessinées françaises. You need to name 2 comic books. Asterix, Tintin. Qui a écrit Malguri Days? Who has written it? Arke Narayan. Expliquez VO and VF. VO, version originale, and VF is version française. Nommez 2 musées nationaux à Paris. So you have to name 2 national museums of Paris, Musée d'Orsay and Musée du Louvre. Qu'est-ce que vous faites pour vous détendre? Pour vous détendre, it's a verb. It's a verb, se détendre, which means to relax. So what do you do for relaxing? Pour me détendre, je regarde la télévision, I watch television, I listen music or I read. Nommez quelques tâches ménagères que vous faites. Name some household tasks that you do. J'aide ma mère à faire la cuisine. I help my mother to do cooking. À faire la ménage, to do household work. Faire la lessive, to do the cleaning. Faire la vaisselle, to wash dishes and washing. Faire les courses, to do shopping. Qu'est-ce que le théâtre? So here they've given you the definition of theatre. What is theatre? It's a place où le présente une pièce de théâtre, where we represent a play. Pièce de théâtre is play. Où se trouve la grande pyramide devant le Louvre? Where is it located? Who has constructed it? So we already know now. Yeo Ming P. Qu'est-ce que le cinéma? Le cinéma est une salle. It's a room where we project a film. Nommez des peintres dont les peintures se trouvent au Musée du Louvre. So now we know the names of the painters. Van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci and Renoir. These are the names of painters. Pourquoi allons-nous au cinéma ou au théâtre? So why do we go to cinema? Voir des films, see movies, and théâtre, voir des pièces, to see the plays. À quoi sert la carte Paris Musée? So what is it? Paris Musée. What kind of card it is? Its musée permet d'accéder l'ensemble des expositions présentées. It allows you to access to the exhibitions that are presented in the Museum of Paris. If you have this card, you can go and visit. Last question, nommez quelques écrivains français. So name some French writers. One we already know, Arke Narayan. Sorry, it was nommez quelques écrivains français. Okay, it's French writers. Molière, Balzac, Victor Hugo and Rousseau. So these are the names of 4 French writers. I hope this lesson is clear about museums. Most of the questions were about museums and writers. That was a basic lesson. And chacun ses goûts. Everyone has their own taste. So with this, we end this lesson. And I hope that you are learning culture and civilization. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Au revoir.